So you want to know how to make AKI HAYAKAWA'S nail sword? Well, you've come to the right place. Keep watching. For the guard, or the tsuba, it's going to be made up of 3 parts that are going to come together. This piece will connect the handle and the guard together. And with these cardboard circles, we're going to make the middle and the top parts. After they're glued together, it's going to look something like this. And now, once again, I'm going to wrap it all in newspaper. And now for the handle. This is the standard handle I've made for most of my props, and I'm not going to go too in depth on how to make it in this video since I've already done it a couple of times in my past videos and have a dedicated video already on the channel. And this will be the cap for the bottom of the katana. Same thing as the guard or tsuba, I wrapped it with newspaper. With some black and white acrylic paint, I got this pretty dark gray color that I really liked, and I used it for both the cap and the guard or tsuba. I've already spray painted it, and with some black bias tape made the sumaki that I used in katana handles or hilts. Now we glue on the cap and the tsuba to the handle. To make the giant nail, I got some poster board. It's made out of 4 identical strips with a point at the top. I traced the middle line that I made with some scissors so it folds better. After that's done, I cut all the strips out and make a cut on both sides of the pointy part, but make sure you don't go all the way. Now repeat it on all 4 strips. Now we start gluing all the pieces together like this. One half on top of the other, just like you see in the video. After it's done, I went ahead and did the same thing and wrapped it in newspaper. Try and get as less wrinkles as you can so it looks the best. It can be tricky sometimes, as you can see mine has a lot of wrinkles, but that's fine. Now for the finishing touch, which is the blade collar, or the habaki. I did try to make the scabbard for the nail sword, but it didn't come out as well as I liked. So this is it for now. Still trying to get better at my props, especially at things just like the scabbard, just things I'm not used to making, but one day, just can't give up just yet. After we insert the stick in the handle, now we go for the blade part. Made it all the way to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was of help to you. You want to cosplay Aki. And see you all in the next video.